Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your images and alt text audit in Screaming Frog step by step clearly. Open Screaming Frog SEO Spider. Set the mode to list to upload your image URLs. Click on mode in the top menu and select list. Next, import your list of image URLs. Go to file, then choose upload and select list from your device. Once uploaded, initiate the crawl by clicking the start button. After the crawl is complete, navigate to the Images tab. Here, you will find all your image data, including URLs, status codes, and alt text. To export this data, click on Export in the top menu. Choose to export all image data as a CSV file. Open the exported CSV file in your preferred spreadsheet application. Now, review and analyze the alt text for each image. Identify images missing alt text or with duplicate descriptions. Make necessary edits or updates based on your audit findings. Save your changes within the spreadsheet. For a comprehensive backup, create another file for just the image URLs. Repeat the export process, but this time focus solely on the image URLs. Finally, store both files securely in a designated backup location. Your images and alt text audit is now successfully backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.